Hello. I'm here at Lee's.
Hello.
We both just finished work. Very tired, but I decided I don't want this anymore. It's had a rough life for the past year, I'd say. So basically, Lee has the vinyl, which was supplied by Decisive Vinyl. It'll be a lot better than this stuff, because this stuff is from Autobahn. It's really old. It's kind of shit. So yeah, we're going to peel this off and we're going to chuck that banner on. And we're not going to have this anymore. We're going to replace it with this. Yes. So it's probably pretty hard to see, but this used to be like a nice gold. And now it's just faded and it's cracked. And it's like really brittle, like you can literally scratch it off. It's just time for an upgrade. How long has it been? Like 2 years?
Not long enough.
Yeah. Alright, well, we'll get started. Yep, that's really old and brittle. You can really tell because of the way it's peeling now. For sale, After Dark banner, brand new, just came in, $30, and it's the gold edition. So it's pretty good. It's really strong stuff. It doesn't rip, as you can see. It's pretty good. Sorry if that got in the way. But anyway, we're using this because we don't have normal Windex, so surely that will do the trick. And I'm using a rag that has a little bit of oil on it because I don't give a fuck. So basically what you want to do is use Windex, use a clean microfiber and clean the shit out of your windshield so it doesn't show up on the next banner, if that makes sense. Alright, so I keep saying alright, so anyway, Decisive Vinyl, they usually give you like an instruction. So what you do is you just scan it with the QR code, tap on that, and then it's down for maintenance. So basically, we're just gonna install this with hopes and dreams.
I tried to go before this.
There we go. All we'll need to do is we'll need to peel the bottom off first. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. We'll just
send it.
We'll send it. Do it for the vlog, After Dark style. So basically, pull it as hard as you can. And do you see where my sticker ends?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try and line the bottom with that.
Ooh, sugar. Damn.
Is that even at all? Yeah, that's actually alright. What the fuck? That actually works out pretty good. That's not bad.
Yeah, just gonna get the winkles.
Yes, sir. Messages. Thank you. Not the winkles. fine if there's a couple of wrinkles. It's a lot better than what it was.
Yeah. It's not the worst.
Oh, that's actually cut now, so that's fine.
Good.
With my car, I'm lucky because I can actually peel this up and I can hide the vinyl underneath there. So I'm gonna opt to cut like just a little bit more than what I need. So then I can tuck it under the rubber there. Kind of like that. And then we'll use this, just tuck that under there. And see? Hidden. There's the Pat himself. I really hope he didn't get that.
Oh, well, maybe. I don't know.
Hello. Now I just need to yeah, so new sticker design, it's called the Crinkle. $20 aftrdvrkmedia.shop. Oh, looks like we're not moving it now.
See what happens.
And for the creme de la creme, I hope that's not cool. Randy, that one's for you. You inspired me to make this. Due to this, this is the original. I think it was like the third sticker I ever put on this car, like 5 years ago. And it was the sparkle gold, and it was actually really nice, but now it's all fucked up because it's old. But it's still there, like, that ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying?
What do you think?
Sorry, you can say that again. What do you think, by the way? This is the old design. We still have these, but I'm kind of liking the new design. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Because to me, that looks really fucking clean. I like that. Playing the Android on YouTube. Getting a sub for my PC. They're going to show you the new Mac.
I do like it. Not bad. To recommend to a friend.
Oh my god. the fuck? Why does it look good on your car, man? We're also getting printable vinyl so that we can get more of these stickers because everyone wants those as well. I'm gonna peel this off, peel that off, peel that off.
Yeah.
Probably peel that off, I don't know. Because I'm gonna put one of the big stickers that we have in the rear window. Whatever. Cool. Very tired. Sorry to interrupt this broadcast, but I just thought I'd let you know that we now obviously have a vinyl cutter and we have these designs for sale on our website. They will be available in all of these colors. So we'll have a gloss black, glitter red, so we'll have gloss black, gloss white, glitter red. We've got these, which are the holographic blue and holographic opal, which was on banner install. I don't have any here, but if you have a look here, like the glitter is actually really sick. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Same with that, but you know, it looks sick. Big thank you to Patty for setting up the website, getting that all sorted. There is a 15% off sale, so make sure you hop down below. Shop Jimmy O. But it's just old. Like, this sticker's been on my car for I don't know how many years. What's with him and Miatas?
I put him 2 at the start. He's like, no.
When you ask your dad, can I get another car? And he's like, okay, Babs.
What are you doing, Patrick?
Buying cars. Got another one of these. But it's got the lights. Yeah.
To choose from to hit. Which one do we hit today, boys? I reckon. Yeah. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Isn't that right, Lee? Isn't that tough?
Because if I start that car,
Oh no, mine's not up front. That's a fucking massive tree. Look at the size of this thing. Why is it so big?
New world, I got it. Rappers is Disney, clean them up swiftly. Floors on cocaine, floors on Whitney. I don't play no games, better come get me. Used to run strictly, not a boy bigly. Furthers on.
Fuck, you got limos, I forgot. Alright guys, we're now here to eat some food. Oh, fuck yeah, boy. Look at this. Shit, we put it on.
So I'm assuming they took it off.
So Lee's dad may have done a whoopsie.
it's not a bad. That's a pretty good effort.
Dude, that dark sticker looks fun on here, like the colour. Sheesh. Compliments it well.
Right, like.
Steak.
This is steak night, but I'm probably not gonna have steak because
I wanted an ambulance and red.
like just now.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know about that car, but there was none of the WRX that was better than that. Oh, some of the best conditions. My car looks good. I'm like 20 meters away.
If you look at Lincoln's car, Lincoln's
look at it
car
like that,
is
yellow, that's
it's good from 900 meters away. When it gets close, it's far from good. The other day,
Interior is
he tried to
decent.
chuck his Ford Falcon
carpet in the back. And it kind of fit, but it didn't.
Not bad.
So what you're saying is, we have a new rules for the channel.
Maybe.
Now we're voting the Gets man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it's a secret environment, so we'll be
I don't know.
Ow, that hurts more.
Maybe later.
Oh my lordy lord.
You're like, how you going?
Emily from Melbourne likes YouTube.
I need to not give my phone to other people.
A very minuscule steak.
Is that really a snake? It looks like a
Angel, this one was not me. This one was.
I'm not even that hungry. I don't have money, so.
Guys,
That is sick.
flip it in.
How good's the sunset? It's beautiful. It's actually nice. Nicer than that.
I forgot I was laying back and waiting for you.
Oh god.
It's been a while since I've been in this thing.
WR6. Except.
Why is there spider webs on my arm? What the fuck?
Because I haven't had a passenger in here for a while. That's lonely.
Oh!
I need to get this thing fucking retuned.
Ooh, Tesla.
Ever since I bought that front mounted decor, it's very tempting not to put it in. But if I put it in, that means I have to get this retuned.
Oh, the fucking.
Gets laid, mate. One's foot, nine good.
Gets a punch to the head, mate. Can it dose louder?
I don't know, bro.
Fuck.
Give me a dose pipe and then we'll do it.
I have a dose pipe. I actually do. It's not stainless though, it's mild steel.
Nah. Still better than plastic, that's what we got.
Yeah, right.
We're working with the plastic.
So basically, we're heading to Lee's house now because I need to finish putting on this sticker on the rear window of the new Gengar design. So he's wearing a bucket hat with an After Dark logo because I wear bucket hats and I have one with an After Dark logo. So I thought I'd, put in the design so we don't get a copyright strike by Pokemon because otherwise that would suck. Imagine. Imagine. But anyway, off to Lee's. You can smell the what?
The eucalyptus. Equilibrium.
It sure is. Look at it. It mounted another fucking pile of dirt. Look at that. Now there's 3 piles of dirt here.
That the fucking VP video.
Do you actually like it?
Yeah, I actually find it.
Hooray! I'm not letting my grandma film again.
Just do what I used to do. Sit there,
Oh no.
rub it back and forth, rub it back and forth. Rub it back and forth. Fuck, what happened?
It's folded over itself.
Wait, I got. Stop. Come here. Hold that.
Hold up. I'm dealing with something here, mate. Hello. So we tried to put the red Gengar sticker on and we have found out that our transfer tape is not the best. So we won't be selling those until we get a better transfer tape. But every other sticker works pretty good, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just wait till we get different vinyl and chuck it on. But yeah, for now that's all. See you guys.